Good morning. Today we are going to see about cause and effect diagram. Cause and effect diagrams, definition and purpose. It is related to management tool of Six Sigma. Cause and effect diagrams are also known as fishbone diagrams or visual tool used to analyze the root cause of the problem or effect. So, what we going to what we're going to see in this video means we're going to see about the cause and effect diagram. They are provided a structured way to brainstorm and identify potential causes, allowing teams to understand the relationship between various factors. So cause and effect diagram is the most important thing used in Six Sigma. So it is a DMAIC methodology: define, measure, analysis, improve and control. So this diagram is divided into categories such as people, method, machine, materials and the environment. So most of things are not considered as environmental as a big thing, but the Six Sigma tool can also consider the environment factors such as internal environment and external environmental also. So it also considered 4 M's and 5 M's and all: men, method, money, machine, time and all. So these are the underlying things which are addressing the significant factors. Most it can be give the team's team can prioritarily work to cause out the effects. So it is by visually mapping out cause and effects, team can prioritize their efforts to address the most significant factors. One of the most thing is utilization of cause and effect diagrams using Pareto charts, and how can we realize the problems and how can they overcome the cause and effects. So it is a visual representation of cause and effect relationships. It can able to analyze the problem before it affects the product or the process. So Pareto charts is a graphical tool for prioritizing the problems or causes. So it is the existing methodology, Pareto charts, and cause effect diagram is the at the particular time it can give the best way to solve the problems. How to create and integrate Pareto charts, conclusions and key takeaways. So it is the most important thing. We have to focus on the vital few and data driven decision making, visual representations and continuous improvement. So what we going to use is we have to develop a product with the proper need of the customer. The first thing is Pareto charts helps prioritize issues by focusing on the most significant factors. Using Pareto charts empower data-driven decision making for process improvement. It can improve the process, products, quality and all. So third one is visual representation. Pareto charts provides a visual representation of the most impactful factors in a process. Continuous improvement. Incorporate Pareto analysis as a continuous improvement tool in the management processes. So cause and effect diagram gives the clean and clear structural things for the cause and their effect. So it can improve the quality of the product and improve the quality in the process. It can rectify the errors and give the continuous improvement to achieve the successful improvement in the process. So the most thing is the cause and effect diagram is also called as fishbone diagram. It is another is called as fishbone diagram. So every cause has certain effects. So how can we overcome the effect? How can you overcome the cause? It can be nullified during the process and during the products manufacturing also. It can use in all the industry sectors to eliminate the errors without affecting any processors or methods or machines, and reducing the wastage of the material. So at that industry revolutions and evolutions, the cause and effect diagram is most important tool. Through Six Sigma we can use this cause and effect tool to give the continuous improvement for the better achievements. Thank you.